Hi, this is Beamer, and today we're working on Moped carburetors, and now I'm going to show you how to make some small adjustments to it. There are two screws you'll notice that are adjustable on the carburetor. The first one attaches to your throttle cable, and this can adjust your idle speed. The tighter it is, the further it goes into the elbow of the carburetor, the slower the speed will go. What you want to do is you want to get the moped running, and then you want to first start with it all the way in, and then if you notice it to start, if it's about to start to die, just unscrew it until you have a good speed where it's not going too fast and it's staying alive, and that's how you set your idle speed. You then have an air intake adjustment right here. And this, again, you'll want to start all the way out. And then if you notice it to start to die, slightly screw it in a little more. By screwing this in, this will adjust your main slide to go up further, allowing more air to come in through the carburetor. And that's how you make some small adjustments to a moped carburetor.